FL Gang was good with it. It's your boy Damo exclusive on the beat. Checking in. Did you know though that you can put graphics onto your playlist? Yes. As well as the piano roll. Yeah. So basically, FL Studio 20 enables you to enable aesthetics, some slight motivation, inspiration. All you gotta do is go to Google, some type of PSD website that gives you PNGs. Those are see-through images. I downloaded a few, and basically, in order to remove that image from the background, you would have to go here, view, and go down to view, and remove background picture. It's gone. Bet it up. So go to my download folder, and I will grab a PNG and show you how to drag and drop simply. Easy. And Martin just came on. Oh God. Boom. And that picture is gonna be the same picture on your playlist, in your piano roll. And you can do the same thing in the playlist to remove the picture. Go to view, and go down to remove background picture. And I'm gonna put, I want my flame back up. I have multiple flames. Ooh, I like that one, that's heat, literally. But I'll holler at y'all in a minute. It's your boy, Damo exclusive on the beat. Don't miss your beat.